Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an app from your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you don't use Prime Video anymore. How do you delete it? Or maybe you don't use Hulu, so how do you delete it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's go ahead and navigate to the apps icon. So on my model of my Samsung Smart TV, this is what my apps icon looks like. So what we'll do is I will access our app store, and then on my screen you need to navigate to the upper right hand corner to where it says settings. So right here it says settings, and then from here you're going to find the app that you wanted to go ahead and delete. So recall from our previous example, if I no longer want Hulu, I'll find Hulu and then click on delete. So if you don't want Prime Video, you just gotta find Prime Video and then click on delete. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete an app from your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.